Applying for your Thai E-Visa is a fairly straightforward process, and what you need to do is go to their official website to make your application. If you do need help, I have also included further information in the description below. The official link to their website is also in the description below. So once you're on the official website, you do need to create an account, and you'll see here you just need to acknowledge this little pop-up here, read through, make sure you understand, and then click acknowledge. To create your account, you're going to go in the upper right-hand corner and click Create Account. And you're going to fill in this information as it pertains to you, and then you're going to receive an activation email. This should be received within 30 minutes, and if it hasn't been received in 30 minutes, check your junk folder. Once you're ready, click Create Account. You'll see here that you need to check your inbox to verify your email. It should come through fairly quickly. Like I said earlier, it can take up to 30 minutes. For me, it was instant, but I would check your spam folder if you haven't found it. Once you have, go ahead and click on the link in your inbox. Once you've clicked on the link to verify your email address, you're going to be prompted to once again verify your email address by typing in the code. Once you're ready, click Confirm. You're now going to be prompted to sign into your Thai E-Visa account. Once you're ready, click Sign In. Once you're signed in, it's going to take you to your dashboard. You're going to want to click on the blue Apply for New Visa button in the upper left-hand corner. You'll be taken to this page to check your eligibility. Now, I've actually pre-selected some options just to show you everything that is going to happen when you start typing in things. So here I've put down that my passport is issued by Croatia, that I'm in Croatia, and then it has automatically populated that the embassy in Budapest would be the ones processing my e-visa application. So then here I put for the purpose of my visit, I put ordinary passport. And then it appeared the visa type, and I had to select which one I needed. I selected tourist visa. And then for the purpose of my visit, it gave me a few options. I put down tourism. For the number of entries, I put down single. And then once you're all ready and you're happy with this, go ahead and click Next. On this page, they just basically want your information. So first, they want your passport. You just need to upload the biometric data page of your passport. It's that one with your nice picture on it and all of your details. And then to the right, they want a passport style photo. You can see here exactly what they want. And then you scroll down to personal information, complete all this information as truthfully as possible. Keep on scrolling, answer some questions about where you were born and your date of birth, those sorts of questions. Then your travel document. This will be your passport. Enter in your details. And then you're going to go to your home address. They want to know where you live. And then your employment detail. You can see here they have different occupation categories. If you're a student, select student. If you're unemployed, select unemployed. And you'll see here that they want to know what your annual income is versus if you were an employee, they want to know where you would work. If you're a student, they're going to just ask where and what your annual income is. Once you're ready, you can click Save. If you do want to come back to this, maybe you need to gather some more information. Otherwise, go ahead and click Next. This section is asking for your travel information. So first you're going to start with your intended date of travel to your intended date of departure. I always like to add a little bit of a buffer just in case my travel plans change. Maybe the airline amends my flight to depart a day or two earlier. Always give yourself a buffer. They also want to know where you'll be arriving into. You can see here you've got airport, seaport, or a border checkpoint, like if it's by land. Select whichever applies to you. Answer these questions about if you've ever been to Thailand and how you're traveling. We now have the accommodation in Thailand. You've got hotel, hostel, guest house, private property. For private property, they want to know just a little bit more information. And if you have any additional accommodation while in Thailand. Once you're done with this, go ahead and click Next. Here on this page is just your supporting documents. You can see here your passport is already uploaded from a previous page, again with that photograph. A document indicating your current location. You could use a copy of your driver's license just showing that you do indeed live at the place that you say you live. I've seen other people just use flights indicating that they really do live in the city they've said that they're departing from and they were accepted. It's not very clear what they exactly want, but I think a driver's license is a pretty good shout. Your travel booking confirmation, so any proof of, say, your flights would be good. And then your proof of accommodation in Thailand, just a booking confirmation will do. You should have that in your inbox from your either tour operator or the site where you made your hotel reservations. Once you're ready, you can click Save if you want to come back, or go ahead and click Done. You're then going to get this pop-up, have a read through, make sure your application is correct, make sure all of those details are perfect. Then this little declaration bit, read through, make sure you understand everything. You can see here they already put in your name and your signature and the date. And then once you're ready, go ahead and click accept and confirm. It then is going to tell you that your application has been successfully created, and then click Submit Now. You're going to see here that you've been taken back to your dashboard and that your application is in the Ready to Submit category. So next you need to pay for your application. You're going to go to where you see your reference number, and just to the left of that is a little box. Tick on it, it should light up as blue, and then click the yellow Proceed to Payment. You're now going to see your application, make sure everything is correct, your name, the visa type, your nationality, and you'll see that visa fee. And then to the right, you have your payment info summary with your name, email, your request number, and where it's going to be submitted to. Then once you're ready, go ahead and click on the yellow Pay Now button. You'll see here you're now on the World Pay payment page. Go ahead and put your card details in, and once you're ready, click Make Payment. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm not going to be making a payment, but once you're done with this, you can go back into your e-Visa dashboard, have a look, you can check the status of your application, you can download anything you need, like your payment receipt, anything you want to check. And you should receive your visa, I would say probably within 48 hours. It's a fairly quick turnaround, and that's it. It's that easy.